The laundromat that was there before was really, really run down. I don't know if anyone else could have really saved that space.
I wouldn't have tried to run the laundry the way that it was. In no way, shape, or form. That's utterly ridiculous. I hear you cautioning me that it might not have turned out okay. It would, but it's just an equipment-based business.
Hello?
Valerie.
Hello?
Hi. Valerie, my name is Danny. I'm calling on some commercial space. It's my understanding this is your spot here. This used to be there's a coin laundry there that has been gutted out. That is my business. If you are planning to keep a laundry there or are indifferent to its future use, I'd love to talk terms with you and do a 15-year lease term and give you some money.
So we actually, that space is leased already, but it's not leased to a laundromat.
Okay. Well, that's good
so
and bad.
We could do another laundromat in the center.
No.
The landlord's not opposed to that.
No, and I like your style. I'm not interested in buying or building laundromats. So what you're asking me to do, Valerie, with the second option is going in and spending $200,000 or $300,000 on infrastructure. It's sad that this one's going away. I can't say that I blame them. I wish we would have talked sooner because, at the end of the day, we make an excellent laundromat operator. We make a great tenant, but it won't happen here. Let me ask you, do you have any laundries under your umbrella where the laundromat tenant is failing, is falling apart, is ready to go out?
I don't right now. There might be one property that we have that we might have one going out, but let me check with the landlord on the latest with that.
Good.
But
my partner's name is Ryan.
Yeah,
I'll send you an email. I'll CC him. What is your best email address?
Sure. It's
what type of business is going to be replacing the laundromat?
a Pizza Hut is going there. It's a restaurant. The laundromat that was there before.
Yep. I'm listening.
The laundromat that was there before was really, really run down. I don't know if anyone else could have really saved that space. It wasn't in good shape. So,
Valerie,
but
I wouldn't have tried to run the laundry the way that it was. In no way, shape, or form. That's utterly ridiculous. Look, you don't go to laundromats on Sunday and bring all your stuff in there. You're not a consumer, and therein lies the problem. The people that purchase these businesses, laundromats, they know nothing about them. They buy a bill of goods. They get sold again and again and again. That's why I'm different. My partner and I don't do it that way. So could it be saved? Absolutely. But I would have $100,000, $200,000 leg up because all the infrastructure is there, because the environmental impact fees were paid. It would not look the way it did for the past 30 years when we were done with it. But that's okay. I hear you cautioning me that it might not have turned out okay. It would, but it's just an equipment-based business.
Yeah. Well, it's good to know, if there isn't a laundromat that comes up, that maybe it'd be something that you guys would look at. So
100%.
Yeah, look out for
Pizza Hut. Goodbye. I hung up on her. I don't know why I bother. Why do I want to educate this woman? I guess so that she understands.
Well, I don't know if anybody could make it work. I don't know. You would have.
She's calling me back now. I'm done, lady. It's over. It's over. She's calling me back frantically. Did I ask her? Because for the folks at home, they couldn't possibly know. We've been trying to reach this lady. It's only been a month. So I'm not going to ask her, when did you sign with Pizza Hut? They're thrilled. So two things. No sour grapes, no big deal. If she'd have answered her phone or returned my call, I mean, it's like, should I say, hey, Valerie, where have you been for 3 months? Where have you been? No.
Right.
She just decides to pick up. And it's like, I see this over and over and again and again. Now, the Golden BB for a landlord is a national chain, and they got it.
Yeah, that was the thing.
Pizza Hut is going to move very quickly if they move at all. So in 3 months, if you don't see any
next to it.
Oh, great.
Yeah, but
it's
been like this for years now.
Yeah.
found out about it recently though, but the person that told me about it said it's been like this for 2 years.
I'm going to email her. I'm going to CC you. If you don't see a change in 3 months, we call her back and remind her and say, hey, where's pizza? Because they'll move very quickly if they move at all.
Sounds good.
Ciao. Introduction, don't burn bridges. What you hear me doing is not burning bridges. When someone else bridge over the River Kwai, I'm not going to play that game. No need for it. None.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.